Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post multiple photos to Instagram stories with music. So here I've already opened my Instagram apps, and I'm going to just start by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom and click on story. Then I'm going to swipe up to select the photos that I want to upload to the story. Okay, so just long press on the photo like this until there will be a number occurred at the top of the photos. I'm going to select 4 photos like this, and after that just click on next and choose layout. Okay, so after this you can just click on the sticker icon at the top, then select music, and in here just find the music that you want to attach to the pictures. Okay, for example this one, click on done, and after that you can change the appearance of the music by clicking on the music like this. Okay, after that click on done and click on your story to upload it. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.